In other news this evening, students and staff in mourning after a broad daylight shooting killed a professor at the University of Arizona.
Today, new documents revealing that murder should have never even occurred in the first place. Team 12's Michael Dowden live tonight after pouring through the documents and talking with experts about what went wrong. Michael.
Yeah, guys, in case you can't tell, we've had a lot of situations dealing with this shooting, but we are learning that the documents involved, well, that he should never have had a gun and never should have been on campus.
UAPD had a shooting.
We do not know what we're walking into.
They do not know if he's still armed.
Just after 2 p.m. Wednesday afternoon, police received word about a campus shooting.
The subject wearing an oversized shirt and shorts shot a head of the department.
The head of the Hydrology and Atmospheric Sciences Department, Thomas Mexner, died from his wounds, killed by a former student who should never have been on campus or had a gun.
If the system worked in a perfect world, we would have prevented the tragedy before it ever happened.
Michael McAndrews is a former FBI agent who went through the documents with us. They show the university expelled the suspect Murad Dervish back in February. They detail a history of Dervish making alleged threats to faculty and emails telling employees to call 911 if they ever saw him on campus.
I understand that did happen. Unfortunately, law enforcement's response was just not in time to prevent a tragedy.
But even before the 911 call, Dervish should not have had a gun. Documents show Dervish had an order of protection filed against him that required him to turn over his weapons. But the piece of paper never stopped the shooting.
If the individual that's the target of the order of protection doesn't fear the consequences and they don't feel compelled to obey it, then it's not worth more than the paper it's written on.
In the end, Dervish still had a gun and killed a beloved professor. McAndrews says law enforcement can be limited on how far they can go to remove weapons, having to balance protecting people's rights and saving innocent lives.
There are no easy answers.
Now, tonight, the university is putting on a candlelight vigil for Professor Thomas Mexner at 8 p.m. at the University of Arizona Mall. Guys, back to you.